So over here, I am in the home page of ILovePDF.com right here. And let's say what I want to do is I want to go ahead and save out PDF after I edit it. So there are different ways to go ahead and save PDF or other file types from ILovePDF right here, which we're going to explore today. So let's say, for example, I'm going to go ahead and choose split PDF right here, and I'm simply going to go ahead and select out a file right here, just like this. And let's just go ahead and do the task right here. So once you do that, you can see that I have different options. Like I can download this split PDF file right here, just like this, and it opens up the Explorer window, which I can use to simply save out the file right here. Apart from that, you can even go ahead and save out a Google Drive. Right. For example, you can directly save it out in Google Drive as well. For example, I can go ahead and select this out right here. And if I were to go ahead and select out my, let's say, for example, Google Drive right here, my credential, then this is what you have. You can see that I have saved to Drive right here. And now you can see it says I can find it in ILovePDF folder. So I can simply go around over here onto drive.google.com right here, just like this. And as I do that, you will be able to go ahead and see the ILovePDF folder right here. So you can see that ILovePDF folder is here, and inside it you will be able to go ahead and see this particular file that you exported from ILovePDF. Same goes for the Dropbox as well. So if you were to go ahead and click right here, you can actually go ahead and then save it. You do need to be signed in to Dropbox for this. And if you were to go ahead and click on save right here, then it gets saved into Dropbox in a similar way. You can even go ahead and share a download link right here to others if you want to share it out to others. And even you can go ahead and scan this QR code with your phone to download the file as well. But if you want to go ahead and delete out the file right here, so by using the account, this file is saved. If you want to go ahead and delete out this file, you can simply click on delete it now right here. And then you can see that this is the time available right here for download. But if you want to maintain privacy and delete it immediately, you can go ahead and click on delete it now, and the file will be deleted right here, just like this. So that is basically the way by which you can save out PDF files in different ways, and even delete out PDF files for privacy reason inside of ILovePDF. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.